Alright guys, good day. This is Matt with BigBen. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be discussing the laws of logarithm. So basically we have 7 laws of logarithm, and we're going to be explaining the laws of logarithm to have full explanation, and full understanding as well on the laws of logarithm. And on our next video we'll be discussing examples pertaining to this law. So the first law of logarithm we'll be discussing today is what we call the addition law. It's what we call the addition law. Now, for instance, if we have, let's say log x to base a plus log y to the base of a. Now, according to the laws of logarithm, now we have log x to base a plus log y to base a. Now they both have the same basis, which are a. So the law permits us to pick a single log here, which is log a. Then in this case now we can now multiply their functions, which are what x times what y. So in other words, now whenever we see addition, we replace it with what? Multiplication. Exactly. So this is done. So next now we're talking about the subtraction law. The subtraction law of logarithm. The subtraction law of logarithm. The subtraction law. Okay, this way. Now in the subtraction law, guys, so if we have log x to the base of a here minus log y to the base of a. So according to the laws of logarithm, so this guy would be, in this case, you're picking up a single log, which is log a, exactly. So and subtraction goes with what? Division. So subtraction goes with division. So we now have log x over y to the base of a. Is that taken? So guys, number 3 here of the law is the power law. Is the power law of logarithm. Now according to the power law, it states that, for instance, if we have let's say log x power n to the base of a, according to the laws of logarithm, this power n here, okay, would have to come down. So I'll be having n here, then log x to the base of a. Is that taken? So this is for the power law. So next now for law number 4, here should be the power of base. So this law number 4 would be power of what? The power of base. The power of base. That is the law number 4. Now according to the power of base, if we have something like log, let's say x base a to the power of 2. Now the law permits us that this power 2 here on top of this a, which seems to be the base, would have to come behind to become 1 over 2. It turns to fraction. Okay. Now, and if it is fraction, now if for instance we have fraction, a fractional index to the base here, definitely we definitely have a a whole number here, like an integer. Okay. So in this case now, this 2 here would have to come back here, become 1 over 2, a fraction. Now I now have log x to the base of what? To the base of a. Is that clear? So guys, now for the rule number 5. Now rule number 5 will now be logarithm to its own base. Logarithm to its own base. So this will be logarithm to its own base, and this is just simple as this. If I have log a base a, logarithm to its own base, okay, so definitely it will give me 1. This is the law of logarithm for number 5 in this very video. Okay, so log a to the base of a, logarithm to its own base, is definitely 1. Okay, even if we have log m to the base of m, it will still give us just 1. All right. Okay, now guys, number 6, the law of logarithm for number 6 is logarithm of 1. We have logarithm of 1. Okay, and this law says that if I have log 1 to the base of a, it will give me 0. Okay, if I have log 1 to the base of a, it will give me 0. Okay, now having copied this down, let me clean up this first part so we continue with the logs. Okay, now guys, let's go to law number 7. Now, according to the law number 7, law number 7 will definitely be the reciprocal law. The reciprocal law as the law number 7. Now, according to the reciprocal law, if I have log x to the base of a, now by the law of reciprocal, it will be 1 all over log, here becomes a, then this function here becomes the base, which is x. Is that taken? So now for law number 8, the law number 8 would be the change of base. This would be the change of base. So guys, for instance, if I have log x here to the base of a, now by the law of change of base, now introducing base n, let's say now in this case, now you want to choose it to base n. We have x here to the base of n, all divided by log a here to the base of n. Okay, log x to the base of a becomes log x base n over log a base n. So I introduce log. Now this n could refer to any number which will be suitable for your very solution. Is that clear? So number 9. Now in this case, number 9 is what I call the exponential logarithm. What I call the exponential logarithm. The exponential logarithm. This is the exponential logarithm. Now, for instance, if I have something like let's say I have something like log okay, in this case, okay, let me say I have something like b power log a to the base of b, exponential logarithm, b raised to the power of log a to the base of b. This guy, according to the logarithm of exponential function, this one would be definitely this a will have to come here. There will be a swap and exchange, so this becomes a, then log of the b, then this becomes right here, then b, and definitely logarithm to itself is 1, a raised to the power of 1 is a, and here we'll end up having a. Is that clear? Okay guys, basically these are the laws of logarithm equation. So this video is just restricted and bounded knowing the laws of logarithm. So on our next video guys, we'll be solving numerous examples on logarithm expressly. So see you guys in the next video, and please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.